you see all of you that we all are connected with different state right now. Our coordinator from Manipur, our coordinator from Kerala, our coordinator from, our president is connected from Nasik, Maharashtra. Our PR, public relation officer, Benjoy sir, is connected from Manipur. Our secretary from Kerala, Leila Joko ma'am, and Sangeet sir, he is connected from Kerala again. So people are getting connected with from various places now. Our Dr. Bidhu Shah sir also will get connected from Uttar Pradesh. So many people will join us from West Bengal. Riya Bhanja, she has got connected. So you have now you all are having connected from Andhra Pradesh. It's a beautiful morning. All India is connected together. You can say in Hindi, Anekta mein ekta, and unity diversity in English. तो ये खूबसूरती है igniting young minds की आप सभी को साथ में जोड़ती है. The beauty of igniting young minds that everybody is coming together for the same goal that we have to build satellite for India and we have to make India Atmanirbhar Bharat. It is the same goal for each and every one of you who has come to join this workshop. So we will begin the workshop at 9:15 and it will start with the PSLV launching of C35, PSLV launching of C37, and the day India have launched 104 satellite. With that video, we will start the workshop. The first thing will be the national anthem. So everybody will be requested while the national anthem will begin. You need to on your video and stand. And then there will be a speech given by Riya Bhanja from West Bengal. She is studying in DAV IIT Kharagpur. Then it will be headed by Benjoy sir from Manipur. And then it will be hand over to one of the great scientists, a leading scientist of our country, Mr. Ratnesh Misra. So you all are betting for him that the exciting personality of our country. So he will be giving you he will be coming at number 3rd. And he is the one. He is the one who has made the history in 8 years. 8 years of his hard work has make every one of us proud. Even our country, even to the world. And the satellite right now in the space and counting the number of electrons in ionosphere. So yes, Ratnesh ji, with this,
thank you.
Just put the video of PSLV C37.
Yes,
so that we can begin the workshop on time.
I'll do it. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Ravi ji. Yes, I'll share the PSLV launch video.
Yes. So everyone, now we are going to count down. After countdown, national anthem. Then after that, short speech by Riya Bhanja, Benjoy sir, and then you can go get set go for the workshop. Okay, everyone. Yes.
Sir, आवाज clear है रवि जी?
एकदम clear, perfect.
Minus 30 seconds.
Real-time programs activated.
Roger. Minus 25 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9,
8,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Get set go. Yes.
9.
Now it's time for this is the PSLV C37 launched by India. It has launched 104 satellite in one shot, and you must feel proud that it was launched from Andhra Pradesh, Sriharikota. So you all should feel proud that your state is giving the great record for India. So I welcome all of you in our satellite technology workshop. Yes, now everybody, I request please on your video. We are going to begin the national anthem. So I request all the people who have joined this workshop, please on your video and stand there wherever you are and salute your national anthem. Yes.
Janagana mana adhinayaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।
Okay. Hello, yes, now I request Riya Bhanja to please give your welcome speech. Riya Bhanja.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Just a minute. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. You can speak. So she is from, I just want to give you a short introduction of Riya Bhanja. She is from West Bengal and she is studying in DAV IIT Kharagpur. The short introduction of the mission and vision of Igniting Young Minds, how it is going to help the country and how it is going to ignite the kids in Corona crisis. Yes, Riya Bhanja, continue. Please don't on the mic. Everyone, it is requested to switch off your mic. Everyone, it is requested to please don't present the screen. One person is always keeping mic on.
Okay, so I'm starting.
Yes, Riya. Yes, you can start.
Good morning, everyone. This is Riya from West Bengal, and I'm a student of DAV Modern School, IIT Kharagpur, besides being a member of IYM, that's Igniting Young Minds. So today we all have come together on a virtual workshop to discuss our future plans on the basis of space technologies. Igniting Young Minds helps students all over the country to come up with their innovative ideas and also inspires them in all aspects. We all are unique in our own ways. Just as a plant needs water for its survival, every child needs a guide who will show him or her a perfect path. IYM takes up the initiation of such guidance too. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi proposes our country to be self-reliant, or we can say Atmanirbhar. The Atmanirbhar is a chance of the innovations for which we are usually dependent on global suppliers. The world already benefits greatly from space technologies, especially in terms of communications, Earth observations, and economic activities related to government-funded space programs. We are probably familiar with the various uses of satellites, and we can say for transmitting TV signals, telephone calls, and for satellite navigation systems. But we may not be as familiar with how much satellites have helped us to understand and take care of our planet. Some remote parts of our planet are almost impossible to keep an eye on except from space. Satellites that study Earth are not just fancy cameras in space. Many of them have special instruments that measure light that our eyes can't even see them and can give you important information besides many other unusual things too. Our country has been rapidly developing since last few years in all fields. Soon, it's also been declared as one of the most developed countries in the world too. I like students to cope up with the latest technologies and also keeps them updated of all knowledge related to space technologies. We youths are the future of our country. Let's do something recognizable and let's make our country proud too. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Riya. It was a very inspiring speech by you. You made us very much proud, and everybody is now too much excited after hearing your speech. Now, Benjoy sir, can you unmute yourself? Benjoy sir from Manipur, and he is the public relation officer of Igniting Young Minds. He has joined with us from Manipur. Yes, sir. Please continue.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mr. Benjoy, from Manipur, and it's a great opportunity to be in this Igniting Young Mind. First of all, I would like to thank our proprietor of the school, and then management, principal, and then all the core committee of the Igniting Young Mind for this such a wonderful workshop in Andhra Pradesh. And this morning, especially I would like to thank Ranaji Mishra for a wonderful job, and Ravi Shankar sir, and all the other members for your valuables and hard work. Actually, Igniting Young Mind is a platform where we are igniting the young generations, the pillar of tomorrow, coming up with different reliables to do something in your own, as our Prime Minister said, that make in India. So we are coming up with all these ideas. So this morning, I'm very much excited, and then thanks all the participants, all the members for joining, for taking all your available times to join in this workshop. Once again, let's all cooperate, and then we'll do our best for the betterment of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Jai
It was
Bharat.
a very inspiring speech by you. Thank you so much for your time. Now I request the icon of Igniting Young Minds, and he is with us from IIT Bombay. You all are waiting for him. Who is he? He is someone who has made Pratham satellite, the world first student satellite launched by ISRO in year 2016 by PSLV 35. So I welcome one of the young and vibrant young scientists of India, Mr. Ratnesh Mishra. So I will just count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ratnesh ji.
Oh, superb, Ravi. So much. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And now in Andhra Pradesh, super excited and already crossed the 100 number by the students. So all the student, all the school committee, and all the students, all the people here.
Please don't present the screen. I request all the students, please don't present the screen. If you present the screen, the meeting will get collapsed. So I request all the students, I know you all are very energetic kids, but it's my humble request to all of you, please don't present the screen while meeting is going on. Yes, Ratnesh, you can continue the presentation.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Yes, Ratnesh ji.
Yeah, better now. Yes. So perfect. Definitely, I can see all the people, all the super excited people here right now. So I am Ratnesh Mishra, graduate from IIT Bombay, and was part of Pratham, which was first student satellite built completely by the students of IIT Bombay. And so let's have a start. So everyone super excited to know about the satellite and how actually the satellite could be built. And why not? So since Andhra Pradesh is so lucky to have the launch station in their state, so why don't you dream about making the satellite from your own school? So let's have the start and let's see how it could be done. I'll just share the screen for. So let me know, Raviji, when you can see.
Yes, I will tell you. Yes, the screen is visible to everyone. Yes.
Perfect. So through Igniting Young Mind, as Ravi ji already informed you all about कि हम किस तरह से क्या-क्या चीजें कर रहे हैं students.
We have
Yes.
to go totally in English.
No issues. Perfect.
Yeah.
So we have already covered many of the states in India, and also internationally in Maldives. We have conducted the workshop, especially focused on space and satellite and science. So as you can see, the Jharkhand, UP, Manipur, Maldives, Bihar, and now we are in Andhra Pradesh. So let's have the start. This is the Pratham actually, which was built by Pratham IIT from IIT Bombay. So we will share ki how the space and satellite thing is important in the field, in the current application. As Ria very well said, all the different applications linked to satellite. So thank you so much for that. And then we'll take the journey of Pratham, how actually it was, what type of adventure thrill. I'll tell you, it's sort of a movie, which definitely you will be able to know with all the action, adventure, climax scene too. So let's have that start. And before start, like all the applications. So currently, what we are doing is also through the satellite. So it's all the communication through online video lecturing. What we are doing is based on the satellite. Anything from deep dive in mining to a space exploration is possible now through satellites. So very like all the major problems are now getting seen through outer space and through other parts of it. So yes, why not? We have the satellite. So space is basically, so we are present here to, so you could get all these data, all these knowledge from any Google or anywhere, definitely. But we are here to actually make that satellite looking so complex thing to be part of your daily routine, to be part of you, to be part of your surrounding and your environment. So for the simple reason, anything which is there in satellite could be linked to you or yourself or your action. So जैसे आप अपनी एनर्जी के लिए, so you take food for your energy. Similarly, satellite takes sunlight like Jadoo in that movie. So it takes sunlight for the energy. And similar way, you have the hands and legs to perform actions. Similarly, the satellites have different sensors and everyone to detect, to act, to all those things. So it is not that complex satellite which you think ki satellite. So only the iron, like only the scientist, the big. So when you actually started, you might be thinking the scientist might be with
Maybe
like
again present the screen because one student is always. Maheshwari, I'm giving you last warning today. After that, if you present the screen, you will be removed from the meeting forever. This is the last warning for you. 3 times you have presented the screen.
yes.
This is the last warning I'm giving to all of you.
Yeah. Can you see this now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So in the initial days, when you think of scientists, you think of like an Einstein, Honge, and all the long hairs and everyone with very aged people. But definitely not now. You can see the young scientists like around my batchmate or all those people linked to it. So through
Prashant, again one student is presenting the screen. Prashant, why you are presenting the screen, all of you? Why you are presenting the screen without any reason?
so okay.
It's my request to you, don't present the screen while the meeting is going on.
Yes. So everyone, so since definitely this is a 1 hour lecture where you'll be able to know a lot of things about space and satellites. So I'd request to have this basically should go smoothly with the like, so don't present screen. Okay. So space is actually a drawing book, basically where you can make anything, you can explore anything. So for the simple reason, if you just try to explore in the darkness, you might end up searching and making like exploring a black hole. If you just explore the stars, like out of all the stars, this the picture you might be knowing from the movie Swadesh of exploration, this stars. So if you just explore on the stars, you can end up making the huge like exploration on constellation from Dhruv Tara to Saptarishi constellation, everything. If you just explore on sun, okay, you might end up making or searching another solar system or another sun or another earth out of it. So that's why the space is completely open limit where you can explore anything. So that's why we focus on this thing. I'll just, yeah. So before we start the journey of Pratham, I would like to ask you 2 questions. So to all the parents here and to all the people, all the students here. So yeah, just a second. I'll just see. So
again, Pratap Reddy. Again, present the screen, Ratnesh.
Yes, I'll do.
I request all the students, please don't present the screen because it is creating a disturbance.
Right. So, so before we start, we'll just ask the 2 basic questions to all the students here. And if there is a video on, you can raise your hand, or if you want, you can message in the chat box. So whether it will be a yes or no. Okay. So let's see ki, yes or no. So first question is basically, have you ever dreamt to roam around the whole world? Okay, like ऐसा सपना कि just हम दुनिया घूमेंगे. So any yeses, or on the chat box you can message yes if there is. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I don't find any no. So definitely it's yes for all. So then second question. Have you ever dreamt to touch the sky? Okay. So one no. Okay. Okay. So these two questions were the dream of every childhood in their childhood, or the parents in their childhood. So I personally don't know whether I fulfilled or completed those dreams or not, but I was part of Pratham satellite, which actually performed both. So it is revolving around Earth every 90 minutes. So every 90 minutes, it complete one revolution of Earth. Okay, so that's why it is roaming around the whole world. And that too at a speed of 7 kilometer per second. So 7 kilometer per second. Okay. And the second point, it is not just touch the sky, it does the even more upper than that, which is the space. So that's why we call this Pratham as a journey of dreams. So because these are the dreams of not just me, but many such hundreds of students, all the parents and everyone. So that's why we call this a journey of dreams. So as you can see on the picture here, this is the satellite. This is the Pratham satellite, which you can see the solar panel, the antennas for signal, the golden layer for safety insulations and all those things. So we'll start this with
Ratnesh ji,
yes.
I think I will call Vidut Shah sir for short introduction.
Yeah. So let me know whenever.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning. Yeah, very good morning, Ratnesh sir. It was a great. I was listening to you, so it's a great thing. And a very good morning, Andhra Pradesh. Right. So all the students, I say it's a very packed, like 133. So that's a great thing. You have one life. In that life, you have to do a lot of good things. Right. So I have two questions. Say, igniting young minds is apart from doing a lot of things, and you are seeing the Pratham IIT engineers, right? IIT Mishra, the great icon coming up with other, right? We have so many scientists coming up with that. And I want to hats off to really this team and coming the members that you keep on watching. If you have any queries, you ask at the last the queries. I wanted to know, you will just answer. You don't put anything, only message. What is the color of space? What is the color of space? Just message it. Let me see the first answer. What is the color of space? Just now, sir said. Do you know the color of space? What is the temperature, surface temperature of the sun? Can anyone can write? Are you audible? So this is a very basic question I have asked you, right? So these are the things where you have to know under this pandemic, so many things to be learned. So simply don't go to the phone and keep playing the games over there. So I have asked you two questions. What is the color of the space? Anyone is able to hear? I think all are audible. Right?
Right.
So if anyone knows the answer, they can type the answer. I want exact answer. Don't guess the answer. If you know, you type it. And what is the surface temperature of the sun? It will be correlated with your satellite program. So students, you have one life. In that life, you have to do a lot of things, right? And I'm very thankful to the principal and the Banjo Sir Lala madam and all the members who are associated with this to arranging in Andhra Pradesh. So it's a great thing. And today again, we have one workshop in Uttar Pradesh. So all the best students, keep on watching and see. If you have any questions, you are most welcome to ask, but do not make your switch screen on. Thank you very much. Take care. With that all, I just take off. Thank you.
Okay. And Sangeet sir from Kerala, can you just unmute yourself? Sangeet sir from Kerala. Hello, Sangeet sir, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Please on your video and you can speak. Yes. Now he has been, he is also associated with Indian Navy and he is the managing director of one of the great institute of Kerala in Cochin, SIMAT. And now he's going to give you a short speech to all of you. Yes, sir. Please. Yes, sir.
Family who is taking life and we are being with him for some time, long years back. And thanks to listening to
Sir, your voice is little bit. Yes, sir. Sir, can you do one thing? You can join it later on. Once you disconnect yourself and connect it, because voice is not coming clear, sir. So sorry for inconvenience. You can join it. You can just.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes.
Maybe
Yeah, Ratnesh, continue. Ratnesh, continue.
Sure.
Yes.
Or maybe later we can with a video off, so that video takes a lot of.
Yes. Surely. Okay, no problem. Yes, Ratnesh, continue.
Sure. I'll do that. Yeah. Thank you with this, sir. So you made all this people curious and left curious about with these questions. So definitely, I'll continue on the thing. Can you see, Ravi?
Yes.
Yeah, super. So as definitely by seeing on this picture, you could guess the day when actually this would have been. So this was the picture taken at the live launch. This was basically the launch day pic, where all the team members super excited and enthusiastic about. And this was the time when actually the person in ISRO, so ISRO headquarters, so on TV you might have seen there is a one person who actually announced that it is all safe, it is all ejected, and the booster stage 1 to stage 2 conversion. So all these, so that person actually told Pratham Se, so which is basically means Pratham is separated from the PSLV, and now it is in space on its own. So that was the time where actually we were all excited. So how it actually started. So in IIT Bombay, we had all other opportunities of building planes, remote control cars, and all those things. But we came up with very simple question of why can't we build the satellite, that too on our own. So that simple question. And now the answer to it was so revolutionary that we are discussing here, and I'm discussing you with about the story of Pratham. So let's see how that. As Raviji also told you that the main function of the satellite was to measure the electron count in the ionosphere. So basically, in the
don't present the screen. This Harsha Ji, please don't present the screen. Why you are presenting the screen? If you have some question, you can ask me.
Yeah.
We can tell you, but don't present the screen. No, whole people are getting disturbed. Yes.
So definitely, so all your questions, queries, you can put in chat box. We'll discuss all the things after this part, after this session. So yes, as it was to measure the electron count in the ionosphere. So basically, there are different layers in the atmosphere, and out of which electron is present. So why actually the count is basically it has two applications. One was basically to so everyone might be using the GPS signal in their cell phone or anywhere in the thing. So that is basically distracted because of electron present. So if we know that, we'll be able to modify it better. This was one application, and the second was tsunami prediction. So which was basically when the tsunami comes, like the waves from the water waves, like it affects the electron density there in space. And if you continuously monitor them, so you'll be able to know that there is a tsunami, a chance of this tsunami. Okay. So these are the major in terms of functionality of it. But we actually the bigger vision for this was to make the IIT Bombay and overall team as the excellence in space, so space and satellite field. So through which it actually got started, and later we ended up making and providing help to different other colleges who ended up making their own satellite. And this was so proud moment for us ki we helped the different people to making their own satellite. Yeah, so I'll just.
Okay.
Yeah. So yes, so Jappy, so whenever you tell different complex things to anybody, yeah, what is this rocket science? So yes, this is the rocket science. So what we are discussing right now here is the rocket science. This is actually involved everything of rocket science. So since for the simple reason your satellite might be just a 1 crore or 2 crore project, okay, but uh, but it is sitting on a PSLV which is a 500,000 crore project. If anything from your satellite could affect the PSLV or the rocket, you can imagine the immense pressure on yourself and the guilt if there is something because of your satellite. Okay. So for those simple reasons, there is the need for quality, precision, and professionalism. So that's why we cannot. So when we actually started, we didn't have the idea to discuss with ISRO scientists how to go about the satellite building. So we were all at like we just had one thought, कि we will build the satellite. So no other idea, no other things on it. And then later with the discussions with how to present. So every time you go to ISRO centers, so there is there they have a tagline which is basically zero defect in space system. Okay, so that means a zero defect. Like so they have this continuous clearance ki this should be perfect. Yeah, so as you can see here, the picture, this is the Pura Jal network of cables, wires. This is the internal picture of the satellite. So look complex enough to have the different connections and everything. This is the part of integration where basically you integrate the different components to make the satellite. And we generally used to take 2 days for continuous, 2 days continuous to make this integrated, and then two step-by-step process of it, 200, 500 steps for it. So yes, these are so that iteration, repetition of these things are needed for this. And also, like you all students might be doing some science project or any project of your own. So you definitely need a team to work on it, people to work on it. So that's how we had the team with different expertise. So we were not not getting paid for this. We were not getting any extra degree or something for it. These all were done completely voluntarily by all the students of this team. So you can imagine the adventure and the like clear inner mind to work on it. With that one goal, we will be able to see the day when it is there in the top of PSLV. So I'll share that video also of the launch video. So this whole journey was not just a journey of one day, not a journey of 1 week, not 1 month, not even 1 year. It was a journey of 8 long years from 2008 to 2016. Okay. So I started in my first year and then I worked for 4 years, like 2012 to 2016. And before that, various other people have passed on and graduated. So that's long journey. As you can see, this how this routine was for overall, how the perseverance for it, which is basically a patience, but definitely with continuous action. So that's why we call this 8 long journey. Uh, so I'll share one of the. So as you can see in the picture here, this is a picture of uh, a testing room, ISRO testing room, where basically, so since they're in space, you have all the different, so you have all the different temperature variations, mechanical loading, everything is, so there is space, no temperatures, all the things are there basically. And when you try to test those things on ground in ISRO facilities, so you create that surrounding and environment. So this was one of the testing. You can see the black chamber there inside where the satellite is kept. So uh, this testing actually was a 40 hours long testing, continuous of 40 hours. Uh, so There are a lot of things involved. Some people are taking data, some are collecting things, some are noting down. So in that way, for continuous 40 hours without any sleep or something, we were there for the testing. You can imagine it's not just one day wala thing. It's 40 hours of this testing. So all those adventure and thrill were part of this. And also how complex this is, I'll be able to link with a short description. So whenever you have a chair or a table or anything of this sort in your home, so you bring that table in either a vehicle or a tempo or something to your home. Okay. Uh, a maximum 100 kg person can sit on that, or 110 kg, but definitely not more than that. So that is the part. And if any screw comes out of this chair, you either try to fix it yourself or you try to call the maintenance or service guy or anyone. Okay. Can you imagine the same for the satellite? The satellite is not possible to take it in a bike or tempo or anything. It's basically, it takes into space through launch vehicle. Okay. And lot of loading, complete loads. And definitely if a screw comes out of satellite in space, okay, you cannot have anyone to fix it. You cannot call ISRO, hey, ISRO Health Center or ISRO Service Center to basically send a person to correct it. Or like, hey, astronaut, please go and fix it. So definitely not possible. So that's why there is a saying by Manvi Dhawan that the space doesn't give you a second chance. So whatever way possible, you have to make it perfect in at once. So that's how these thing. Yes. Now you can see the picture here is a Saptarishi Bandyopadhyay who actually started this journey in 2008, and now he is part of NASA team. So NASA, where basically one of the team is Jet Propulsion Lab. So it works on the fuel and the propel system of this satellite and rocket. So there he is currently working. And yes, similarly, all different other peoples at different fields and different expertise in space, in science, in energy. So these were, as I told you, this was the 7 generations of project managers, project leaders. So as you can see on the rightmost, like I'm the youngest of it, and so proud to have the launch in my tenure. So that was a super movement for me. As you can see here, the Manvi Dhawan, the girl project manager, and also
Unfortunately, she's right now traveling. Otherwise, she could have joined with all of you. But she is traveling somewhere. That's
sure.
why she is not with us. She is
Yes.
also associated with the DRDO on the various missile system. As you all know, that DRDO also center is in Hyderabad. In this earlier it was called Andhra Pradesh. Yes, Ratnesh ji.
Right. Yes. Yes. Very right. So we will definitely connect Manvi also sometime with your school for this super movement, and also all the different people present here. So we'll definitely try to connect them. So this is the picture. This is the picture of first steps. This was our first step towards the infinity. As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of SHAR, Sriharikota, and the PSLV C-35, the launch movement. You can imagine the feeling of like your own satellite, which is built by you, is kept on the top of that PSLV, on that module where all the satellites are kept. So you can imagine the feel of this moment where. So I'll just share a small video of it.
Yes. So yes, you can see this is the live launching of Pratham satellite from Sriharikota. It is in Andhra Pradesh. So we are really feeling
The
proud that
remaining
we are
two
today in Andhra
satellites,
Pradesh.
Pratham
Right.
from
And it
IIT
was launched in
Bombay
2016 by
and
PSLV
AISAT
C-35
from
rocket.
PES University Bangalore are from India.
Yes, you can
The
see
main
that here.
objective of Pratham is to estimate
The
the total
PSLV is a
electron
four-stage
current
rocket, and the
DEC
nose part, the
with a
satellite is
resolution
kept there.
of
And
1
once it
kilometer by
crosses
1
the
kilometer by
Direction of the
50
gravitational
launch.
fields,
10,
the nose will
9,
open and the satellite
8,
will get separated.
7, 6, 5, 4,
4,
3, 2, 1, 0, plus 1, 2, 3, TF1 and ground upon ignited. Vehicle lift off normal.
So how is the Josh Andhra Pradesh?
बिल्कुल
How is the
समान
Josh? After seeing this
आकाश
video,
की
it
ओर
is
उठता
launched
हुआ
in Andhra Pradesh only,
SLV
in
और
Sriharikota.
जोरदार
We will hear confirmation of the
Want to see
separation
your
of the
excitement
Pratham satellite
in the message
built by
box.
students of IIT Mumbai, and also followed just 10 seconds later the separation of PI-SAT satellite built by the students of
It's
PES
high or low?
University,
Here,
Bangalore.
student, how is the
जी
Josh?
हाँ
High or low?
वैसे कई उपग्रह इसरो भारतीय विश्वविद्यालयों के लिए छोड़ छोड़ा है। जी हाँ प्रथम उपग्रह भी अलग
Pratham is
Yes.
separated.
Pratham has got separated. This is what it is saying in the video, and this is
Yeah.
another way for India, that how we have created the history. Now I request Prajakta and Prapti. Can you just unmute yourself, Prapti and Prajakta from Manipur? Actually, they have born in Nepal, but see, they are right now in Manipur. So they have joined with us. Yes, Prapti and Prajakta. Can you just unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So we
Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
yes, yes, you are audible. But fix your yes, right. Yes, good. Continue.
Okay, so myself, Prajakta, and I'm in the 8th standard of Frobel English School, and I'm the managing director of IYM Manipur. So I'm very great honor and pleasure to have you, Sir Ratneshkar. We are very glad to see you with us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
So मतलब ऐसा क्या है, we all know that India has been locked down, right? मतलब अगर कोई हमें help कर रहा है इससे बाहर आने के लिए, if it's helping us to come out to this, then why should we waste our time? मतलब दूसरे चीज करने से तो यही better है. It helps us a lot. It's very beneficial. It gives lots of information about science, technology, and all.
Yes. Yes, Prapti, can you just speak? Prapti? So, Prapti?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Here's Prapti Chetri, President of Igniting Young Minds from Manipur. I'm in the 8th standard of Frobel English School. So today I got the opportunity to join workshop and be a part of IYM. I was not very much known about satellite and technology, but when I joined the workshop, it has changed my life, and I got many things to learn from it. So I would like to request all of you to join us, make our team bigger and bigger. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, Prapti, thank you very much. Both of you are very inspiring girls, and they are the part of Igniting Young Minds. The first time when we conducted a workshop in Manipur, that time they were confused that what they have to do. Actually, it is a Corona time, so they called me and said, "Sir, actually, till now we were wasting our time on mobile phone, but I think this is the right time to do something for the country." And from that day, they have associated with us, and they are doing a lot of good work. So I request all the students, be with us. And I hope that Andhra Pradesh will launch the next satellite of India, and that will be built by the student who has joined from this school. So I'm hoping that definitely it will be done. Okay. So yes, Ratnesh, you can continue.
Yes, Project.
Ratnesh, sir.
Yes, Project.
Yes, sir. Will you please more about this project?
Yes,
So
yes.
mo- More about?
या मतलब आप लोगों ने ये कैसे किया, मतलब कौन से टाइप का मेटल एंड
Tell that. Don't worry, Prajakta, I will tell that. Don't worry.
Will definitely.
Yes.
okay sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Like, so
He will tell in the question answer session those questions. Don't worry about it. Yes, Ramesh, you can continue with the slide.
yes, yeah. So you want Sangeet ji to join here, or
Yes, Sangeet ji, are you there? Sangeet ji, are you there? Hello, Sangeet ji. I think he is facing a huge network problem. Sangeet ji, can you hear me? Oh, he is not. Yes,
yes,
yes, sir. Network is yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can continue. Hello. Hello, Sangeet ji.
How do we?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes. Okay.
so we can hear you, but it is very like low voice.
Yeah, low and up and down on the sound. Okay. Yes, yes.
No.
Yes, sir. Sorry for this. Actually, this is the network issue. It is not your fault. It is a. It is. We are all running with networks. So no problem, sir. Yes, you can post your message in the message box to all the students so that they
Right,
can.
right. Yes,
What is
we
your
will
message?
read the message for.
Yes, please, sir. You can post your message in the message box.
I'll.
He's also at work with Indian Navy and he is running an institute right now in Cochin, Kerala. So he's also associated part of Igniting Young Minds. So a lot of vibrant peoples are joining us from all over India, even from the world. Right now we do have members from Dubai and all. So we are growing each day by day. And now I think the Andhra Pradesh will make another history by joining us. Okay? So Ratnesh ji, yes.
Yes, yes, sir. I'll share this. Yeah. So yes, can you see?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So yes, so as I was telling about the last picture, which was of Shar, Sriharikota, and this picture we generally used to see in TV and the two ki there is a launch and everything. So, but when we got the opportunity to be there in Shar, Sriharikota, it was so proud moment for us. We actually collected the soil and some of the parts from there during this. So when we went to that place, actually the launch place. So that's how it was linked to us. And definitely after the launch, as you have seen the video, which was PSLV C35 launch. And after that, we got so much recognition all around everywhere. So you can see here the post wishes from Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and he got the recognition felicitation by different outside India and also with the governor. So as you can see in the picture, Maharashtra governor. So there all the felicitations. So everything after the launch was so with media people, with newspaper article for the next 1 week or everywhere. So that's how the good part of it after the success was it. But definitely, as I told you in the start, there is it's sort of a movie, so everything has different things, and that to a climax scene. So I'll share this one story or with you. So this satellite got launched in 26th September 2016. Okay, so we just completed 4 years now, like this September, to that launch. And on 26th morning, you have seen that initial previous picture where all the team members are super excited. So that was the time on 26th September morning, 8 o'clock, so 9 around, the PSLV got launched, and then 1 hour after that, the satellite got separated. After that, so satellite communicate with Earth from the Morse code signal. You might have seen the Razi movie where basically she used to send the signal with the dot dash Morse code form. So similarly, the satellite sends signals to the Earth and ground station here. So for Pratham, we used to get signal twice in a day. So like one in the evening time around 8, 9, and then in the morning around 8 or 9. Okay. So after the launch, we were so like at the peak of our excitement with the thing, with the thrill for the launch. So like we worked for that one dream of the launch, and we have seen that. After that, we waited for the signal. We were all prepared to wait for the signal to come. But at night, it didn't come. Okay, the signal from the satellite didn't come. And we were at the lowest of the thing. So sad to know that nobody knows what might have happened to the satellite and whether it is failed or all those things in the back of mind with all the media pressure and everyone what happened to the signal, what happened to the signal. So that's how the surrounding this thing. Then the next day morning we tried, but we didn't got the signal. So next day only thing what happened is we got an invite from Maharashtra governor to all the people that they will felicitate the team. And so nobody would get sad because they were invited by your state governor. Okay. So, but we were not that happy because for the simple reason the satellite from signal we haven't received. So the next day on 27th, we waited, we tried, but we didn't got. On 28th, so this picture, as you can see here, this has a reference as in this was the bus where basically all the team members together went to the governor's place from IIT Bombay. And during the journey to the governor's place, we just got a message from University of College London that we have received something, but we don't know what it is. It might be of your signal or it might be of any other satellite. So we will send you once we'll completely receive it. So now again the mix of excitement ki pata nahi, nobody knows what actually that is. So we went to the governor's place. We had a very good felicitation by them. While returning back from there in the Mumbai traffic with all those things, we actually got that audio file. Okay, so as you can see here on the picture, basically that code file, which basically when decoded, it tells you Pratham IIT Bombay student satellite. So this is a signal which satellite sends everywhere, all around the world. Okay, so this audio file. So with the every bit of downloading of that file, our heart rate pumps to that level, that mixed things. And then when the communication expert, she was knowing about all these files, and when she decoded and tells ki, yes, this is the signal from the satellite. So you can imagine the thrill, the adventure, the mixed emotions, the feeling of everyone crying and all those things when it is there, that you have received that particular signal which you were waiting for it so curiously. So that's how we received, and we came shouting like all you students to the to college and everyone. So that moment for which, so like all the parents who might be here, like a first voice from your child. So to that level of feeling, emotions was linked to it, and then later we received the signal at our ground station and all. So that's how the 2-3 days of those peaks and lows, and the climax team ended up with great success of all the parts received. So yes, that's how this journey of Pratham now, and so yes, so I would just like to share ki how these how you all can contribute to the space in the field of and contribute to the nation. And so since Igniting Young Mind is working on the vision of Dr. Kalam with the three main things of education, youth, and the space like so Dr. Kalam himself was expert of all this space and science. So we are bringing all these three together in the space education, which you could be part of and definitely can explore things all around. Definitely later you could be part of any space program in India like ISRO, DRDO, NAL, SAL, Army, Navy, Air Force. So all those part of it where you can basically explore these things. Definitely you can have your own ISRO or NASA, you can make it your own, you can dream about it, you can build your own that thing. So that's how I'll tell ki if you can dream.
In this picture, you can see here that he is the director of ISRO. As you all of you know that, you can just type his name K. Sivan, you will get a lot of idea about him. A person coming from very poor background, and he has become the director of ISRO. So I hope that Andhra Pradesh all the student can become a very great scientist in coming future, and you can run this world. Not only India, you can run the world. So you can see here, and this is our president, as you can see here, and he is also live with all of you. Ratnesh Mishra from IIT Bombay. He has been facilitated by the director of ISRO. You just think about this, and you can see the satellite over here. You can see in the picture, satellite is also kept there. So it's a great moment. We all are sharing with you. And the student, if you have any idea about how to build a satellite, if you are planning for it, definitely you are most welcome to call us anytime. We will help you to build this. And we all are lucky that, you know, that our young scientists are doing a very great job for the nation. So yes, now I request Leila ma'am, please can you just unmute yourself if she is there.
A very happy morning to one and all present over here. First of all, I would like to thank Ratnesh Mishra ji who is the pillar as well as icon of IYM, who has already empowered and enriched the children, the future of our country as well as the world. Children, you are the unestimable gem. And more than that, if you think you can change the world, with one idea you can change the world. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he had already ignited the mind, and from his vision only, our founder manager Ravi Shankar has already got that particular vision, and the IYM is trying to implement that particular mission and vision by organizing this type of workshop. Now itself we have already observed how the ISRO person has already honored our young scientist, Ratnesh Mishra-ji. If it is possible for him at this young age, you can think of, and you are getting a very good opportunity to develop your interest in scientific field. I know very well that you will be able to shine. Where there is a will, there is a way. We are really thankful to Andhra Pradesh, especially the school which has already organized, the people, those who have already worked behind it, and we know and we salute all your efforts. At last, I would like to say that, Meeku na nindena vandanamalu, Meeku na nindena asislu. May God bless you all. Thank you so much.
It was a great speech by you, ma'am. Lala ma'am, she has joined us from Kerala. So you can understand that how igniting young minds is. Vividta Mekta we say in Hindi, and English we say unity in diversity. So we are all over India right now, and we are also going slowly in all over world. So you all can become the part of us, and you can make the history. How we are creating, you can become the part of it. You will be making the history. Student, after a small speech of two of the girls, they were facing some problem of the network. We will start the question answer session. So you can post your questions in the message box, and we will answer your top 10 questions in this session. And if you have any more questions, you can even send us on my WhatsApp number. I will answer you that also. So yes, Prajakta and Prapti, can you just unmute yourself?
Yeah, you can ask anything, Prajakta, Prapti.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Prajakta and Prapti.
So the thing is, Prajakta, you were asking about the satellite wala part. So the story behind and the thing for satellite is I can go on and on for a whole day. And it never ends. So everything linked to satellite, I can go for the whole day. But definitely, so this has everything involved in it. So it is vast. Like you can. So when it comes to space, you can go anywhere. Like
okay.
So that's why. That's how we actually started with the field, with the mind. Ki haan,
okay. Yes. So yes, you have got one message from the one of the part of our team member. Also, he was associated with Indian Navy. He has sent a message for all the students. Hi dear all. Good morning to everyone. I am really happy to join the initiative by Igniting Young Minds, which is meant to empower students into action to develop our own satellite. I thank Mr. Ravi for making me joining the team. It's really great, simple and inspiring presentation by Mr. Ratnesh. Wow, such a golden words. He has done it very nicely. Will you all succeed your mission? Thank you. Sangeet SIMT Cochin. He is from Kerala. So he has a message for all the students as well as the organizer of this workshop. Yes. Anything you want to share, Prajakta and Prapti, you can take a shorter span of time and you can say that, and we can just continue the question answer session. And
yeah.
also, yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Okay, so maybe this IYM is helping us a lot. Matlab, it's a very beneficial. Very
full in English because it's
so, okay, sir. Okay, so sorry for that.
Okay.
So I would like to request all to please join this and help us to make our team more bigger and bigger, so that we can make our India a self-reliant country. And even we are helping a lot to people by giving them marks, foods, and also you can help us to do this too. So please do join, help us. That's all. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
okay.
Prajakta.
Okay, Prapti, you want to say something? Mic is not on. Please on your mic first. Yes, now it is on. Yes.
No, Prapti.
Voice is not coming.
Prapti,
You have some problem of voice. No problem. Prapti, you can post your message in the message box. Now, yes, I request some of the school management, like principal or manager or administrative officer. Can you please, sir, unmute yourself and share your golden words with us? I request the principal or manager or any person associated with the school. Yes, please, sir. If you can hear me. Hello. Good morning, sir. Can you hear me? If anyone is available over here from the school management side. Okay, okay. I think they are not reachable.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
So
Yes,
I'll
now
just,
you can post your questions and we will answer your question. Top 10 question will be answered. 10
Okay,
questions
so
and rest
I
question
can
I will
see,
post you the number. You can post it there. Okay. Yes.
I can see two questions now. So definitely, okay. So there is a question that if we go on create a satellite, then the space become pollute. So yes, very very right. The space will become pollute, increasing number of satellites. But definitely there are things for it. So whenever the satellite mission is over, there is a thing called deorbiting the satellite, where basically you deorbit. So once the satellite is at around 600 kilometers, and once the mission is over, it basically comes down to the lower atmosphere and it gets burned in the atmosphere. So that's
Yes.
why those lower satellites will get burned in the atmosphere.
Yes, and one more question is that why Chandrayaan 2 failed? The reason of Chandrayaan 2 failed was because we were not able to control the speed on the correct time. That is the one reason. And Ratnesh will let you know much better about this. Yes.
Yes,
Ratnesh,
yes,
please.
very, very nice. And so actually, Chandrayaan 2, Ravi ji, आपको पता है कि that was the day when the whole India, I think the whole world were
Yes.
waiting and like waiting till 2 a.m. In the morning to see that that success and those things. So and also those pictures were basically just before that, before the touchdown. So mainly the thing is, so we actually landed on the opposite side, which was very difficult place to land, and that has a huge turbulence in terms of the atmosphere and the surrounding there, and the magnetic and other fields. So when every time a planet or a moon surface is there, so there are a lot of disturbance around it in terms of magnetic field, in terms of turbulence, in terms of environment around it. So whatever we predicted, it should be like this. Okay. The thing there was more even worse than the actual predicted. So that's why even after taking the extra factor of safety, we were unable to create that thing, and because of those worse conditions, it got failed in that particular region. Otherwise, it was a complete success before and like before it was for the whole journey. So yes.
Yes, one other question was asked that when India is going to build on a space station very soon. We have already working on it, and very soon we will come. By 2030, we'll have our own space station in our, we are going to build that. Ratnesh ji, can you just give more idea about this?
Yes, yes, yes. So you told Ravi ji very right, and also the Gaganyaan mission is now on this thing. So all the different ISRO missions are working on it, and definitely we should. So and also you can see the different videos of Sunita Williams and others, so who actually became an astronaut from the US with an Indian origin, and when they went to the international space stations and they stayed there for long, that's how their journey is and all. So definitely those things are sort of an experience for us to build on our own, and India is working on it. So, yes.
Yes, I will clip 2-3 questions together. That will be easy for the student also to get the answers. The first question asked from one of the student, what in the news we see sometime about a space garbage. I will clip another question in that, how we can prepare a satellite. There is another question that which satellite is dedicated as India first multi-wavelength space observatory, and what is the bet of satellite? So 3-4 questions clipped together.
Sure. So definitely. So for the garbage part, and also there is one. So one I told ki it gets burned in the atmosphere. The other I told ki there is actually a graveyard orbit in space. So graveyard orbit is the orbit where basically all the junk satellites are kept. So all the satellites which is above it should come to the graveyard orbit, and all the below it should come there. So that is for the garbage part. And then second is basically how can multi-wavelength space observatory. So there are a lot of satellites on it, and ISRO missions. So I would suggest you check on the ISRO website. There are a lot of those missions on different applications, like remote sensing is the major part, where basically Cartosat, SCATSat, these are the satellites where the mission, ISRO mission. So yes, you can have a search on ad. Yes.
That question is
weight of the satellite, it ranges. So for Pratham, it was a 10 kg satellite.
Yes.
And for ISRO, it can go up to on 500 kg satellite, 700, 800 kg satellite. So that's what
Yes.
I have said.
Yes, no need to worry, everyone. Your question will be answered. If you are not able to get the answer, definitely you can contact us on this number. We will definitely.
Yeah.
And I just request some of the students from your school to share the experience, how it was. And I can't see the messages like Josh is high, Josh is low. How is the Josh kids? You all are very exciting kids. From past 1 hour, you all are having different messages and all. So tell me, how is the Josh?
Everyone, I love doing that.
Yes, can you on your video, dear? If you want to speak something, can you please on the video? If anybody want to speak, you can on your video.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Yes, please. Please unmute your video and audio also and speak about today's program. Anyone from Andhra Pradesh? Energy of Andhra Pradesh is always high because ISRO launching a station is in Andhra Pradesh. So you feel proud that you are the heart of the ISRO. Whatever ISRO does, they does from Andhra Pradesh. So please, anyone, if you want to speak something, you are most welcome. I think, okay, fine. No problem. Anyway, the last question we will answer now and we will close the session. So the question is, what is the temperature of sun? This is something we cannot, no one can predict that.
So yes, definitely, like it is around 6,000 degrees Celsius is what the sun's temperature. So, yes.
Prem sir, can you hear me? Prem sir, can you hear me? Hello, Prem.
Yes, sir, obviously, why not?
Please, sir, please speak. He's from a school side. A big vote of thanks to all of us. Yes, Prem sir. Don't speak in the middle. One student always keeping mic on. Yes. Prem sir, he's going to share his experience, how it was, everything.
Actually, I'm really very much thankful, sir, Ratnesh sir, and also Ravi sir for organizing this, for letting us know that the first station was also been built in Andhra Pradesh. I think most of the students, they didn't know that, but still then they got the idea now. And then very soon, I'm pretty sure that I will collect all the ideas about how to make this satellite, and then pretty sure that one or the other day our school also will make the satellite.
Okay. Wow. Yes, very good, sir. Thank you so much for your great golden words. And now I think the one question has come. How much Celsius does rocket start? Wow. These are the super duper question from Andhra Pradesh. Wow, Andhra Pradesh, I can understand your feelings. It is so high.
Yes, so actually, so this is actually so in the video you might have seen, when we say 10, 9 countdown, so around 3 or 2, it actually starts that ignition, and at 0, it reaches to a peak of its the ignition, and so like 1,000 degrees Celsius and more than that too, in terms of ignition. And when it goes on, so I would suggest you go ahead and check the video again, and when you see the rocket just after the launch, so the rocket height and the flame height, you just compare. The flame height would be more than the rocket height. So you can imagine the rocket itself having those like those big rockets, and that too flame height is either similar to it or more than that. So you can imagine the temperature, like it would be definitely 2,000 also. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
dear friend, we are running out of time because we have another workshop in Uttar Pradesh at 11 o'clock. So sorry for all of you because we have to stop the session right now.
So
Thank
all
you
of you,
everyone. I have only one request in the last. when you leave the meeting, unmute yourself and say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So when you leave the meeting, you have to say, unmute yourself and say, everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Yes, Ratnesh, you want to say something?
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Yes, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जय भारत
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद जय भारत
Jai Hind, Jai
जय हिंद जय
Bharat.
भारत जय हिंद जय भारत
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Children,
जय भारत
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद
जय हिंद
Yes.
जय भारत
Yes, great, great. Andhra Pradesh is now. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद जय भारत जय भारत जय हिंद जय
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय भारत
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai
जय
Bharat.
हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय
Come on,
भारत
everyone.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद जय भारत जय हिंद
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बच्चों. Yes.
जय हिंद
Yes,
जय भारत
please leave the meeting, everyone. It's my request to all of you. Please leave the meeting by saying Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय भारत जय हिंद
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Please leave the meeting, everyone, because we have another session right now in Uttar Pradesh.
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय भारत
Yes. Yes, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Please, everyone, leave the meeting. Ratnesh ji, can you hear me? Hello, Ratnesh ji. Ratnesh ji. Hello, Ratnesh ji. Yes, please leave the meeting, everyone. Don't be in the meeting right now because meeting is getting recorded. So you can leave the meeting by saying Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय भारत
Yes, yes. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Yes. Please, everyone, leave the meeting. Ratnesh ji, can you hear me?
जय हिंद जय भारत
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Yes, Ratnesh ji.
जय हिंद जय भारत दिल से